Yeah, I've been Arcuri. I had to load another spool of the L56, the mile steel wire in my Lincoln, and this is 30 thousandths. I got the roller, the 35,000 roller selected. It has two different sizes. I was running 25 thousandths with that same roller. It worked perfect. I used the whole roll, no problem. So now what you do, the fact that you start it in and you work the trigger until it comes out. Yeah, I feel it now. Oh, there it is. Okay. Then I got to put the nozzle on the end. I'm using a 30,000 nozzle. Okay, I've been Arcuri. This is the Lincoln Pro Mig 140. It's 115 volt. MIG welder, and I'm running right now number 30,000 wire in it. I just put a new spool in, and the chart shows this machine the thickest on argon. If you look down here, is 10 gauge. Now 10 gauge is about 1/8 of an inch, 130 some thousandths. Right here. Ten gauge, 135 thousandths, which is a little over a 1/4 inch, 1/8 of an inch. I'm sorry. So I'm going to be doing 1/4 inch with it. That's pushing it. I got it set 5 on the wire feed, and I got it set on E, and we'll see what we get. I put this together with it, and that's 1/4 inch plate. I'm going to try it first on that angle, just to make sure I got the machine set up. Yep, I got 3/16 there. Cut my MIG wire, usually 1/4 of an inch protrusion coming out. I dip the tip in some of the gel that I use. Let me give it a shot and make sure I got my setting. I got wind blowing. Ordinarily, that could blow away the argon gas. I give it a good shot though. All right, got penetration. I gotta try another one. Yeah, that's better. Except for that little spot, what happened was I lifted it up and I came back a little bit over here. But that got penetrate. I can't even talk. That guy has penetration on both sides. Looks decent. Okay. All right. So that's 1/4 inch plate, and I welded it with the maximum on the Pro Mig 140. The maximum is E, and the wire speed I had is 5, and my argon gas I have set about 22.